There's some exciting things happening behind the scenes at Style at a Certain Age, so I thought I'd devote an entire video to share what those really are. It's all coming up next at Style at a Certain Age. So I have a big unboxing to do, and no, it has nothing to do with style or fashion, but I have all of you to thank for this. So this came in the mail from YouTube, so I'm going to show it to you. I'm pretty excited about this. I've never had anything like this, a big plaque like this. So this was given to me, Style at a Certain Age, because I reached 100,000 subscribers, and that's all thanks to you. Actually, we're well on our way to 150,000, but it takes a while to get the plaque. So I'm sharing this with you and sending all of my love to you for all of those views, for all of the comments, for all of the thumbs up, for every little bit of it, because I wouldn't be here if it weren't for you, and I wouldn't have this plaque if it weren't for you. So thank you. So that said, so this is going to go up in my office, but I did want to show what has been going on behind the scenes at Style at a Certain Age, and some of it does affect YouTube, and some of it is more directly related to my blog. But many of you have already noticed that I have new channel art because I have a new logo. I have new branding. It's absolutely beautiful. I've been working with a designer, a web designer, for the past, oh gosh, since April. I mean, it really takes that long. So we have gone through a very extensive rebranding process, and so I'm so happy to start to share this with all of you. The big blog reveal will be in 2 weeks. It will be, or actually it's the 3rd week of September. Very excited to share that with you. But we're also doing so many exciting things here at our studio. So we have an official YouTube studio. You've seen me film in many different locations. You've seen me film in my office, and you've seen me film in my closet, and you've seen me film down here, what is now going to be our studio. So I thought I would take you on a little tour and show you exactly what we're doing and what's going to happen. So let's get going on that little tour. So here we are in the studio, and every good studio needs good lighting. Every person that's been in front of the camera knows that lighting is everything. And sometimes we don't have the natural light that we need. It's a cloudy day. Sometimes it's dark when we film. So lighting is extra important in those circumstances. But this is what we have. So we have an Chrome. And actually I have 2. And my videographer uses 2 at his will. And you can't see one because one is actually pointed on me. But I really love this. Really great lighting. And then right behind me, you'll see a Diva Light. And this is what so many vloggers use, is the Diva Light. Great lighting. You can actually get an extension and put it over the top of it and diffuse it. And they even have different colors that you can use. What I like about that is I can actually put my phone in there, and then I can put it on me, and then I can film something all by myself, which I really need to do, especially for Instagram Reels. So love the Diva Light. But really what I like is this stand right here. Again, it's for my phone, and I can put it, horizontal, vertical, whichever way I'd like to film. That is also very instrumental in filming Reels, something that I can manipulate all on my own, bring the Diva Light in front, and then I can raise and lower this at will. So, and plus we have, as I said, we have an Chrome that you can't see, and another Diva Light that you can't see that my videographer uses for the best lighting for the studio. Many of you have already reached out curious about the equipment that we use, so everything will be linked up down below in the description box, everything that I'm talking about today, including our camera, tripods, lights, and the new addition, which I absolutely love. So this is a backdrop, and it is mounted to the wall. And I'm just filming in just a regular basement. It runs the width of the wall, and then it comes along and it just gives you a really nice backdrop, because right now this wall is a little worse for the wear because we had to take out some pictures because we're filming over here now. But it works on this pulley system, and so I'm just going to lower it for whatever length that you want. I mean, if you want to stand on it, you can. If you want it short, you can do that. But so easy, you just bring it up and down on the pulley. And it also comes in an assortment of colors. So we have white, very simple backdrop. Many YouTubers film with the white backdrop. But we also have gray and black on hand right now, but you can get a variety of colors, as many colors as are in the rainbow. Every studio needs a prop, and I'm not talking about Ollie. She's my Maine Coon cat, and she does make an appearance every once in a while on YouTube. But I am talking about the settee that I'm seated on, and it's just a really lovely size. It's not too big, it's not too small. It really is the Goldilocks. And we do a lot of photos as well for Instagram and the blog. So this really is just a very nice piece of equipment to have for that purpose. And we also have over here, you'll see a calf hair skin chair, and it also has a rug that matches as well. So we can have more of a Western theme, a more of a relaxed theme. So the settee is very formal, and then the chair is a little bit relaxed. So we have a couple of options. If you've watched any of the videos here at Style at a Certain Age, then you recognize this backdrop. Actually, I added this about 2 years ago, and this is where we film our style videos. So it's just a really lovely shelf and hanger, so I can hang up all my clothes, talk about them, and then we usually put shoes and the accessories up here. But absolutely love this. This is from Ballard's. I believe it's still in stock, but as I mentioned, I'll have everything linked down below. And the last piece of the puzzle for the YouTube studio is a work in progress. But I have a kitchenette here in the basement, very serviceable, very dated. As you can see, a refrigerator that's years old, a microwave. I don't even use a microwave. And so we're coming in, I'm working with a designer. She helped bring together my beautiful master bathroom upstairs. And so she's helping me create this kitchenette down here. Very state-of-the-art. So we will be able to bring you the same recipes that I do on the blog with Fridays with Oscar. So as you know, this channel is dedicated to aging with grace, strength, because we need nutritious meals to help us stay strong, and beauty. So I'm telling you, this kitchenette's going to be a beauty, that's for sure. But as I said, everything is going to be transformed over here. We're taking down the upper cabinets. We'll have floating shelves up there. And you can see right now, I do have my Nespresso machine. Love to share coffee recipes with you. We also share cocktails. I do like to do that on Fridays. We kick off the weekend. So this will be a beautiful cocktail area, and we'll have a beautiful wine fridge. And I used to have this stainless steel island upstairs in my kitchen, but I switched that out for a beautiful butcher block island. So I brought the stainless steel down here so I can put a cutting board, and we can, have this as our prep center. So really, I'm very excited to share lots and lots more recipes with all of you over here on YouTube. So thanks again for getting this 100,000 subscriber plaque. Thanks again for being here. Thanks for every comment, every like. Thanks for being part of the community over here. And let's get going to 200,000. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Of course, leave a comment. I love to hear from you. And I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye-bye.